What's up, boys and girls? We're back with another video today. Like I said, last drift event, I want to do an update video on Steve's car. I figured we would take a quick look at it, see what he's done since then. We're also going to take a look at Scott's car because it did blow up. It's actually all back together, so check this thing out, man. Very, very sick. Jeremiah's here. Scott's living here, so he's obviously here. His car's here. Even Matt and Kyle are here. The whole drift gang's around. Scott's putting his front bumper back together. I'm very excited for it. It's gonna be pretty. I haven't seen this car since you blew it up. I don't know what the
September 12th, 2021.
A day that will live in infamy. Yeah, we're actually, well, you have started it up, right? It runs and everything.
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna be really sick to see it back together. Hopefully we'll be able to take it on its maiden voyage tonight. That'd be pretty sick. Although he's only got one seat in there, so that'll be a little bit of an issue. But I'll get you guys a shot. Do you have pictures of any of the pistons or shit? Oh, man.
Did you show them the plate?
Goodbye, boys. I love you.
Oh, I will.
Bye, Matt.
See ya.
Everyone say goodbye to Matt.
Come visit me at Whiskey Rhythm.
You got it. Man, that thing is clapped.
Alright, now I go.
So, she definitely went when she went, but it had how many miles on it?
More than 150, less than 250.
More than 150 miles, 1,000 miles is f***ing ridiculous on a turbo engine. Oh, what's the rest of it? Damn, man. That looks like fucking breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It didn't f***ing snap though, so that's still pretty strong.
Yeah, here's one of the valve heads as well.
Oh man, you completely lost a valve head.
Yeah, the stem's in here somewhere. Oh, here it is.
Dude, it's crazy how many pieces it's in. In that engine?
Yeah.
It probably is. I mean,
yeah, it's literally an entirely different engine. I just took like the cams and shit out of the one that was in here.
I gotcha.
And then discovered that it had S52 cams in it the whole time, which I never knew.
Damn. That's why she's making all the jam. So it's still gonna make around, how much did it make? Like 450?
I have no idea. Between 400 and 500.
Okay. And it's gonna make that again, or are you gonna try and push for more power this year?
I'm gonna keep it where it was.
Okay.
For now.
He did get a new, just a turbo housing, right?
No, it's an entirely new turbo.
Not bad. It's a completely new turbo setup.
Right, but that's the good side there.
Beautiful.
And
Not beautiful.
what happens when you get a piston sucked through the exhaust?
Jeez.
Yeah. I didn't even know this was like this either till Jerry took it apart and was like, hey, dude.
Imagine if he didn't take that apart, Jerry.
Would have grenaded on their motor.
Dude, that would be a sad ass series. I would be so upset.
I got a pile of turbos now.
A pile of them.
Yeah.
Look at all of them. I'll have to steal one.
Sponsor me, eBay.
I see. The black on black. He's got to get a seat. This is actually Kyle's seat, but honestly, bro, that Corbu looks nice in there. You should get a Corbu.
Yeah, I know. I was thinking, go to the other side.
The other side? I like how that goes up on its own. I just found out that these are pillarless. What the f***?
Had to
I had a 40 or E36 sedan, and it was not pillarless. Dude, that Club Loose 2 stickers sick. Where do you guys get the Club Loose 2 stickers?
They sell them. They were at Midvale.
At Midvale.
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta go to Thrash Bash next year.
Dude, you gotta try Midvale.
Dead ass, like I want to try Midvale next year so bad. It looks sick. It just the only thing that scares me is the wall, but you don't gotta get close to the wall.
No. You don't have to.
Oh, but I should, son. We're back. His front bumper, he said, is destroyed. It's sitting up there. What happened to it? Deer. It's still gonna be a good car this year. I am super excited to hear it again too, because this thing does sound sick. When these two are driving together, it is insane the noises you get to hear out of these two cars.
Get rid of all the wires that I don't need anymore. Because there's so much stuff that I removed, and there's just extra wires everywhere in the engine bay because of it.
Dude, you seen Matt's?
Mm-mm.
Oh my god.
Yeah, there's a lot of wires.
There's a bunch of wires in Matt's.
These are the only two wires on this side that I use out of that entire harness.
Yeah.
Want me to just start cutting?
I mean, you could.
Dude, Matt's super good with electrical shit though.
No. Is he?
Yeah. I mean, now he is. He wasn't.
He wasn't good back in the day, but
A little while, yeah. Since he's been at school, dude, he's learned his shit.
well, 3 of them are working.
That's 2 more than I need.
Fan is working. I don't
I
know.
didn't even do anything.
What?
I literally just moved the wire and then came back and turned the key.
It'll be alright. It's a new engine. It can hold plenty of f***ing heat in it.
I only really.
Thought I was kidding.
That's a big turbo.
It's okay.
He's okay.
It's okay.
It's like a 63 trim.
I think it's actually a 64.
Ready?
Yep. She's alive. Big spoolie boy. Sounds healthy.
It does.
Very, very healthy.
It runs better than the last one too, actually.
Yeah.
I know it had bad rings on that as well.
I mean, yeah, it's been smoking for a while, hasn't it?
A long time, yeah. And one of the cylinders was pitted and damaged as well. I saw it last time I pulled the head off. I don't care, dude. I just put it back on. Ran it like that for another year.
Yeah, this one will probably make more jam just naturally.
It might. I have to get it retuned too, knowing that it has the S52 cams in it. Because it's tuned for just a bone stock M50.
Oh, so your block didn't have them. This one did.
No, it had it before, but I didn't know. So when I got it tuned, I got the tune for a stock M50.
Oh.
It has an entire. This is an entirely S52 net.
Okay.
I just didn't know that the car had that.
No fucking clue. Well, hey man, if you can get it retuned, I'm sure it's gonna make over 500 with an S52 head.
Probably, yeah.
That would be so quick. I mean, it was fast before. I rode in the rain with it, but you could feel like it was gripping.
Yeah.
Little. Yeah, that sounds right. You want a zip tie for that?
Maybe.
Might as well. definitely cold start there. That was nice and loud.
Yeah.
Any other mods coming this year? Or you got it running? I mean, it's all set up.
Probably gonna change the tuning.
That's
I'm highly considering going to a standalone. Literally the only safety I have with this is it won't start if it's hot, and I have the AFR wired to the boost gauge, so if it sees a lean condition, it cuts boost. But other than that, that's it.
well, that's still a good safety to have.
Yeah. Oh, I also have a oil core.
Okay.
There's an oil core to install as well. I just didn't do that. It runs off of the like the filters right here. It's just a different cap that you put on it. It's got outlets, and put it wherever I want.
It is cool. I'm glad you have a turbo. M52.
Me too. It's an M50.
Oh shit! It is an M50.
M50 TU.
Like he said, 150,000 miles on a turbo engine is pretty ridiculous. Like, it's hard to achieve that, and BMW M series motors always do. M52s, M50s, M54s, you name it.
Hey, I did it for 2 years, dude. I put over 40,000 miles on it, boosted.
Yeah.
And you've seen firsthand, I was never easy on it.
No, no, not at all.
It took it.
And it takes it, man. It's so cool. Like, the fact that you can still get 500 horsepower out of these cars, and they don't weigh shit.
3180, I think it was, with a full tank of gas.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, that ain't nothing. At 500 horsepower, that can beat some stuff. And he still drifts it. As you guys saw last event, this fucking thing caught on fire. Really unfortunate, but it looks like he was able to slap new blanket on it, slap new heat wrap on it, and it's good to go. Valve cover is still melted, but honestly, that just adds a story to the car that he gets to tell from now on. So this is actually the Fitment Labs E92 kit. He did put a new front lip on it. I don't know if it's M3 or not, but I think you have to do that to make this all work together. So he said he was going to put some spacers on here. I wasn't sure because I like perfect fitment, but this isn't bad. In the back though, it's ugh. He's definitely gonna have to run some spacers. It'll be nice though. It's super wide, as you can see. Freaking huge. I don't know. I think that reaching here would be easier. I really don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe this is a superior way of doing it. Chelsea Denelfa does it like that, and Steven Davidis does it like this. But I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you're about the pull up style or the pull back style. Ooh. He's still got a fucking sunroof. If I had a sunroof in the Mustang, I'd totally keep it open. That'd be sick. But I don't. Good on Scott. He went and painted his crash bar and it looks so much better. Not a half bad looking car.
It's half bad. Definitely half bad.
It's half bad. We'll give it that. At least he's an honest man.
It makes up for it in the performance side.
Yeah, it really does. When you gonna put the fucking...
Never. Right? September 12th? It's almost January 12th. Almost 4 months.
4 months since this thing's left the garage. You can still hear a bit of E36 in it down low.
Cleared out now.
Garage is looking nice. Look at Steve's car. That wide body looks sick. How is it? Probably f***ing cold.
I'm too excited to care. Doesn't matter.
I need to take it down. Darlington. I'm probably gonna start
Hell yeah. How you like that seat in there?
weird. Takes getting used to.
Yeah, is it fixed? Or is it?
Fixed.
Yeah, not as good.
C4 Corvette down here. Dude, that bitch just sit on the ground. Dang, why is it so cold?
What did I sign up for, dog?
Hop up on the trailer. Oh yeah. We're not gonna go far. It'll be a little chill. How excited are you?
Very excited, he says.
I miss this thing so much, dude.
I bet. It's good to hear it alive again.
It sounds fucking good.
Oh yeah. Looks like it's warming up.
Yeah. As long as it doesn't get too
This thing sounds good.
This bunch again. Is it heavy? It's not that heavy, but compared. God, I thought that was someone falling off of my car.
Dude. Oh yeah. Thank God this thing's alive again. Thank you for not abandoning it.
Absolutely not. Fire extinguishers in here, right?
Yep. I got it ready.
Never know.
Exactly. Well, looks like you got brakes still. That's good. How does that feel, Jeremiah? Do you like that?
Feels nice. Sounds so good. I missed it.
Yes! Oh man, I'm laughing like a idiot, but it sounds so good. Jeremiah, you're sitting so peacefully right there.
Comfy
It doesn't
spot.
look too bad at all.
Comfy spot. He's sitting there saying, dang, I gotta get me one of these.
Awesome. It did it, Scott. We are back. Hell yeah, man. Way to go. So happy this car is alive. It died hard, but we had quick revive.
Quick enough.
Quick enough. Ready for next season enough.
Yeah.
That is all that matters. Sorry we didn't get Steve to do an update on his car. He had a long day. I'm just going to let the man go. But we did get Scott in here, and that's really fucking awesome because he's going to be in it anyways. Thank you so much for helping me go over the car and getting it back together. Appreciate you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. You know the deal. And take it easy.
I was running out of time, running through my mind. I was thinking too much that